Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need 3 things now: Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, and WordPress admin. First, create a GTM container and copy the ID. This lets you deploy tags centrally. Once done, install a GTM plugin or paste the snippet into your theme header so your site can receive tags. This is the foundation. You're enabling tracking and ad conversions. Make sure to verify the container appears in GTM preview mode so you can test before proceeding to tag setup. Now you'll configure tags and link accounts. In GTM, create a Google Ads conversion tag and a remarketing tag. Set exact conversion ID and labels so ads recognizes events. Use triggers like page view, form submission, or button click to control when the tag fires. That ensures accurate data and avoids duplicate conversions. Next, link Google Ads with Google Analytics and import analytics goals to ads, because linking lets you measure ROI and optimize campaigns based on real user behavior. Finish by testing and publishing. Use GTM preview mode and Tag Assistant to confirm tags fire and data layer values look right. You want to see the conversion event in real time. Publish the GTM container and wait 24 to 48 hours to see conversions in Google Ads. That lag is normal. If numbers don't match, make sure you don't have duplicate tags, verify trigger conditions, and check cross-domain or caching issues. One key tip: test on an incognito window to avoid cookie interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.